perfect.
No, I could make one your size, like this big. It'd be brilliant.
So what do you do, pedal?
Of course you don't pedal it, man.
Where's no engine?
Look at the back.
With those exhausts?
Not exactly, no.
What up?
Ready?
Yeah?
Why don't you grab, there should be a bottle somewhere. Is there a bottle on the front?
Yeah. Can I ask a question?
Yeah, just see
Are those what I think they are?
Yes, it's jets.
Those
Two
are-
little jets.
Yeah, that's the jet engine there and there.
And there's the melted the...
Yeah. You made the jet-propelled Jeremy Clarkson.
Yes, I have.
Wow!
Okay. You don't go with yours. We're going to have a race to see whose small car is the best.
Before you, right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are deciding the future of motoring. What a moment for us to share.
It is, just about. It's a bit complicated, the jet propelled me.
Yeah.
There's quite a lot of sequence of lights.
Yeah.
And it's quite noisy, just one word of warning.
Yeah.
Don't follow me closely.
It will be hot. Smile up there. Back down that way.
No, they down this way first.
All right. Oh, okay. And then that.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. One, two.
Yeah. Right, there I come. Come on, jet propelled me. Now come on, get out of the way. Get out of the way, Captain Clark.
Suitcase is going to turn.